Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make extra money with a side hustle. First, identify your unique skills and passions. This is your foundation. Next, research the market to pinpoint where your talents can meet demand. Setting clear financial goals, like earning an extra $500 a month, will keep you motivated. Finally, dedicate a consistent amount of time, perhaps 10 to 15 hours weekly, to nurture your new venture. This structured approach helps ensure your side hustle thrives. Many lucrative side hustles can be done entirely online. Consider freelance writing or graphic design, where platforms connect you with clients seeking specific skills. Online tutoring is another excellent option, allowing you to teach subjects you excel in from anywhere. Becoming a virtual assistant helps businesses with tasks like email management or social media. You could also create and sell digital products, such as an ebook or an online course, potentially earning passive income after initial effort. Beyond the digital realm, many local and service-based side hustles offer great earning potential. Pet sitting or dog walking is perfect for animal lovers, often paying $20 to $30 per hour. If you're handy, offering minor home repairs attracts local clients. Food or grocery delivery services provide flexible work, allowing you to earn on your own schedule. Cleaning homes or offices is another consistently in-demand service, with rates often ranging from $30 to $50 an hour. To truly maximize your side hustle, begin small and scale up as you gain experience and clients. Reinvesting a percentage of your profits, perhaps 20 to 30%, back into tools or marketing can fuel growth. Networking is crucial. Connect with other entrepreneurs and potential customers to broaden your reach. Always be learning new skills, whether it's a new software or a marketing technique, to remain competitive and increase your earning potential over the long term.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.